So very good afternoon to all of you. I'm Professor Rajni from Sri Balaji University, Pune. On 23rd of March, we signing an MOU with Sri Balaji University, Pune and Pimpri Chinchwad Smart City. It was done by Municipal Commissioner Mr. Shekhar Singh. It was a very proud moment for all of us as on this occasion, and Mr. Shekhar elaborate on data collection. Sir also said that it is critical to understand how to strike a balance between social and high-tech infra on these, as these are various cross-sections of people in society, from those living in slums and shelter homes to ones staying on the footpath. It was followed by question and answer session by our student manager. Student got a lot of insights from the answers given by Mr. Shekhar. And once again, really it was a proud moment for all of us. Thank you so much.